If you've ever opened GoDaddy and found the website in the wrong language, don't worry, this is one of the quickest fixes you can make. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the GoDaddy language in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want to browse the site more comfortably, understand the menus better, or switch to a different country and language setting. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and website guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to GoDaddy and open the website in your browser. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website. GoDaddy usually places its language and country settings in the footer, so this is where you'll find the option you need. Look for the current language or country option and click on it. When you do that, a list of available languages or regional settings should appear. Now simply select your preferred language from the list. Make sure you choose the one you actually want, because this will change how the site is displayed. After you make your selection, the page will refresh automatically. That refresh is what applies the new language setting across the GoDaddy website. Once it reloads, you should see the site in your chosen language, making it much easier to navigate. And that's it. You've successfully changed the GoDaddy language. It only takes a moment once you know where to look. And now you can browse the platform in the language that works best for you. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.